Now we're going to go in our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about Kizer's lineup of the Sheepdog. So this comes in a couple different sizes. We have the traditional Sheepdog size, this one here. So the original Sheepdog came in a frame lock or liner lock. They have upgraded it to where it has their clutch lock, which is like an Axis or Able or Duralock. It's Kizer's version of that. We also have the mini Sheepdog, which this one is a button lock. So these three models are all in 154 cm. These are in their, at least this one's in their Vanguard line. This is, I believe all these are in their Vanguard line, and the big Sheepdog, the XL, this is the full Kizer. So titanium scales. This is S35 VN, and they do a black stone wash finish on it. And they complement it with all this golden hardware. So you don't get a full blacked out, but you get a nice complement. This is a big knife. One of the interesting things about this is the flipper is removable. You see that little nut there and that seam. You could take that off. And one of the reasons why they did that is so you could make it look like the regular Sheepdog. Because neither of those have the flipper. So it is much easier to open with that flipper just because it has a pretty strong detent in it. So if you're looking at kind of a Warren Cliffy or mini cleaverish knife, or in some cases not so mini cleaver, the Sheepdog is a great knife, just depending on what size you're looking for.
Right on. All right, y'all, we'll wrap it up here and see you on the next one. As usual, peace.